That was like...
Alright guys, so I got back home and got the Disneyland Resort 70th anniversary and McDonald's. Oh, there it is. This is what it looks like. So let's see. I'm not sure. There's a number on the bottom. There's 14. As you can see, there's the number on the bottom, and I got 14, and there are 70 toys. And you only can get 2 of them, which is very surprising. This is just like Disney 100 toy that we got 2 years ago. Let's see what I got. Oh, remember this. Oh, okay. I don't know for my 3, 2, 1. Oh, I got Darth Vader. That's cool. Here's the second toy. Whoa. Oh my god. I got Andrea for Sleepy Beauty. She's very cute. Not what I'm looking for, but I'm a fan of Star Wars. Darth Vader's cool. I'm more like a Chewbacca or C3PO girl, but off to a good start.